What's up, everybody? It's G, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix FPS lag while gaming on Windows 10. It's super easy, so I'm going to walk you guys right through it, and let's get started. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to go to Google, go to the search bar, and you're going to want to type in Razer Game Booster. You're going to want to hit enter, and then on the top you're going to see Razer Cortex. You're going to want to click that. And now you're going to be on a screen like this, and you're going to see the download now button. You're going to want to click that. In the bottom left, you're going to see the download finished. Click it to open it. Now you'll see the Razer logo popping up. Now we're only going to install Razer Cortex, so just make sure that's checked, and then click install. And then it's going to begin the installation process. Once the download's finished, you'll get this pop-up. Now you could sign into your own account. I'm just going to click continue as guest. Once you're on this screen, you're going to go up top to the boost tab. And now right before you play a game, make sure you click the boost now button. This will hide all the background processes, and this will give you more FPS while you're playing games. So there you go. This is how you fix FPS lag on Windows 10. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.